Oh, hello there. I was experimenting with... Come, I show you other experiments what I do. I cross things. I cross a pine with an apple, and I get a pineapple. Then I cross a double-decker bed with a duck egg, and I get a double-decker duck. And then I cross the street with a chicken, and I get a bunion. Oh, but now I am ready for my greatest crossing. I am going to cross this ape with something. Don't do that. But what should I cross this ape with? I don't know yet. I said, don't do that. You smart alecky. Now, who can that be? Nobody in their right mind comes here. A woodpecker. That gives me an idea. I will cross the woodpecker's brain with the ape's brain, and then I will make a flying ape. That will be my greatest achievement. Hello there.
Would you like to subscribe to a magazine so I can go to camp?
To camp you want? This is the place. A camping we will go. A camping we will go. Halt! We camp here. In the morning, we go on a hike. Now, everybody to bed. Come, come, come. Rockabye, woodpecker, don't try to escape. When comes the morning, you look like an ape.
Look like an ape?
Rockabye, apey, don't whisper, avoid. When up comes the sun, you'll fly like a bite. All right. Now, everybody go to sleep. I'll sleep here. Now, good night. I will pull the switch, and then the woodpecker's brain will be transplanted into the ape.
So long, Professor. Ugh, what a place. I'm getting out of here.
Rockabye, woodpecker, don't try to escape. When you wake up, you look like an ape. Hello there. Rockabye, buddy, don't try to escape. When you wake up, you look like an ape. Hello there.
Is this a professor?
Yeah, this is the professor speaking. Hello there. Now we will see who laughs last. Hello there. Well, we sure made a monkey out of the professor.